Hey there guys, welcome to Imperial Gardens 8-box stature case break 3412. So to our current date and time, it's currently Monday, January 16th at 7:46 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and Monday, January 16th at 10:46 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. Live on Breakers, live on YouTube, and of course for anyone who has a time on our break site, sign up there. And that's what we got scheduled for tomorrow. And of course, on to our team buys here. Entourage 03 with the Ducks. Go down to Bordell 73 with the Flyers. And the Penguins is Rip Bros 1210. Go down to CBR Sean. So here we go, guys. Anything else? Appreciate again. 2482. That's our case. Good luck, guys. Anything else? Good luck, everyone. And we got PLD for the Jets. Andrei Svechnikov for Carolina. Mikey Anderson, $3.99 for the Kings. And Keegan Kolesar out of 175 for Vegas. And Kirill Ostamenko out of 175 for the Fly. And Alex Belzile, 54 of 85, rookie red for the Canadiens. And Century Momentous, number 2 of 25, Billy Smith. Billy Smith going out to Dan Miller House. And Protege with a big stain right on it, Nicholas Boudin. So Chicago, sending you a UPC for this one. I don't know if Upper Deck will still warranty it. That's what you call a big chunk of the foil missing on that one there. But you can send them this video and stuff like that as well. And give them some type of referencing. I don't think this product's been out for a full year yet, so it should fall under there. Got Martin Brodeur for the Devils. Andrei Vasilevsky for the Lightning. Jake Onger, 59 of 175 for Dallas. And Nils Hoglander out of 99. And Century Momentous out of 149 for the Rangers. And Tom Wilson out of 175 for the Caps. And Billy Heinola, number 9 out of 199 for the Jets, going to CBR Sean. And Calvin Thorkov, autograph out of 199 for Columbus. Going to Martin. And Century Momentous of Brett Hall. Going out to the Blues. Miro Heiskanen for Dallas. Jack Eichel for Buffalo. And Gage Quinney out of 399 for Vegas. And Alexander Romanov, 41 of 99 for the Habs. To Mark, sorry. And Century Momentous got Glenn Hall out of 75 for the St. Louis Blues. And Igor Sharanovich, 24 of 25 red portrait for the Devils, going to Martin. And Igor Protege's autograph for the Devils. And Austin Matthews, Gravitas for Tio. So we got Mary Lemieux, base for the Penguins. Ron Nugent-Hopkins for the Oil. Alexander Romanov at a $3.99 for the Canadiens. And Austin Matthews, 20 of 99 for Toronto. And Braden Shen, 70 of 99 for the Blues. And Nico Hischier at 175 for New Jersey. And Jack Eichel, 21 of 35, red update auto. And a Craig Brow GTC. That's for Buffalo. And Ilya Samsonov for the Capitals auto. To Dan. Miller House. It's Washington on that one still. And Proteges of Connor Ingram. Going up to Nashville. So we got Mark Stone for Vegas. Nick Schmaltz for the Coyotes. And Ryan McLeod, 64 out of 399 for the Oil. And Peyton Krebs, 98 of 175. Green for Vegas. And Miro Heiskanen, 77 of 99 for Dallas. And Josh Norris, number 7 of 45 for Ottawa. Going to Anel. Jay Hicks. And Jonathan Marchessault, autograph for Vegas. Going on to Dirk. And Gravitas of Matt Tkachuk for the Flames. Hey, Jake. I wouldn't say big monsters yet. Hopefully within the next 3 boxes we see something. I don't think we hit our patch auto yet. And we got our patch right here. So we got Martin St. Louis for the Lightning. John Klingberg for the Stars. Mikhail Berdine, $3.99 for the Jets. Mackenzie Inwhistle at a 175 for Chicago. Vitek Vanacek at a 175 for the Capitals. So he is Washington in his rookie year stuff. And we got Vitek again, 82 of 85 for Washington. Going to Dan. And Ilya Samsonov, the trifecta with the patch auto, 4 of 33. And that is going out to Washington. Miller House. 3 decent hits back to back. And Proteges, Pierre-Olivier Joseph, a.k.a. Pojo. Okay, let's move these ones over. Box 7. So Alex Ovechkin for the Capitals. Nathan McKinnon for the Avalanche. Gustav Lindstrom, $3.99 for the Red Wings. And Proteges 93 or 30. Is it 93? It could be 33 or 93. I don't know if that's connected. Something 3 out of 149. Mr. Chasen Robertson. It looks like it's 33 from a distance, but when you look up real close, it looks like 93. So it's one or the other. And Keandre Miller for the Rangers, 149. And a blue Gabe Velarde, 3 out of 25 for the Kings. To Dirk. And Arthur Kaliev, number 20 of 199 for LA. Going to Dirk. And Proteges, Tim Stützle. Pretty solid pack there. Final pack magic coming up. This one does have looks like a little bit of a scuff on that. J-Rob. Box number 8 here. We got Pekka Rinne for the Preds. Brock Besser for Vancouver. Nick Robertson, 399 for Toronto. And RNH out of 175, and a few scuffs on this one as well. So Edmonton, I'll send you a UPC. So right along here, there's like 4 or 5 scuffs / indents on it. Just FYI there, Rob, Mr. Koa. And Vesey, number 85 of 175 for the Lightning. And Mackenzie Blackwood, 36 of 45 blue. Non-rookie. And Cale Makar, stature autograph. This is unfortunately his 2nd year. So nice hit going to Lance, or Lantot 911 of the Cale Makar. And Century Momentous, we got the Dominator, Dominic Hasek, to wrap up the break here. So there we have it, guys. So appreciate again everyone for watching and joining.